Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jin win, pin win, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Hello and welcome to all the princesses and princes watching this video. Let's learn to draw a princess together. Starting with the hair, create two curvy small lines which meet at the center. This is the hair parting. Now a few inches away, draw long lines of hair which can be approximately waist level. Draw a crown, a sleeping line at the base shooting up with three small triangles. Wow, that's gorgeous! Let's make an oval face with two eyes, nose, and a beautiful smile. Let's connect the neck with two sleeping lines extended out. The arms are wide open with fingers clearly seen. A heart-shaped blouse with a flat bottom this way. A beautiful drape which looks like an inverted U with frills at the bottom. Create more frills and space them out within the drape. Color. Use any shade of brown to color her hair. For the crown, we can use a bright yellow shade. Use a light skin color shade for her arms, face, and shoulder. The main blouse can be in pink or any other favorite color of yours. You are free to choose any color for her dress. For your understanding, we have chosen pink, red, and purple on each frill. A princess has noble values like charity, kindness, and good conduct. stunning princess art with friends and family.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.